Non-finite clauses without lexical subject. So we have certain subordinate non-finite clauses in which there is no overt or lexical subject. For example, if we consider 19a and 19b, what is the difference between these two? Let's see. 19a says, I did not wish for the book to become a family saga. Obviously, for is optional here. The book to become a family saga. Let's see that what book is. Is it a subject or not something else? Similarly, if you see 19b, I did not wish to write a family saga. So, who is going to be right? Obviously, we can understand that here is I do not wish that I should write. If we make it a finite clause, subordinate clause, it will be I. But what about the first one? Both clauses have an embedded object clause, and in each clause, the embedded clause is, in each case, the embedded clause is a non-finite clause. In 19a, the subject of the embedded clause is lexically realized by the book. The complementizer for is obviously optional. In 19b, on the other hand, the embedded clause lacks an overt subject. As I just said, I wish to write, right? So we don't have any subject here. The subject position is not lexically filled, and we shall indicate it by parenthesis. So when the object position is not filled, this round brackets are there, that this is the place of the subject. Furthermore, the complementizer in 19b must not be filled by for. For example, if we do it in 19c, you can see I did not wish for to write a family saga. So for and to do not go together. So it will be an incorrect sentence. The structure of 19b can be indicated below. I do not wish sentence, embedded sentence. Then we have the round bracket, mean the overt subject or lexical subject is not found here to write a family saga. As I told you that this can be filled with a pronoun I. What does 19b mean? Of course, it means I did not wish that I should write a family saga. In 20 the bracket in 20 is to be interpreted as I. We shall say that the non-lexical subject position shown by two round bracket is controlled by the subject of the higher clause. So this is the concept of control, right? That one element is being controlled by another element. So in this case, the subject of the non-finite clause is being controlled by the main clause, the higher rank clause. So when a lower rank thing is controlled by a higher rank, we call it the concept of control, right? So you can say, we'll discuss this thing in detail later on. So this round bracket, this empty round bracket shows that it is being controlled by the subject of the higher rank clause or the main clause. It is an example of control. So we'll talk to Rita on this topic later in a bit more detail.